Andrea from Write, Speak, Relate, and I'm so excited because I was one of the winners for the Lipstick Boss's 5-day fall glam up. And that means that Nancy Joseph, the lipstick boss, sent me my very own package of new product, and I'm very excited to show you what it is. Beautiful lipstick pouch that I desperately want to know where she got. So, I got a little pouch that says lipstick can't solve all problems, but it's a start, and that is true because a good lipstick changes the entire day. So inside, I have a sweet little note from the lipstick boss and a beautiful pink bag. So today I have, hint of mint lip gloss from the lipstick boss in a beautiful sparkly red, but not like a fire engine red, kind of a deeper fall red. And a lipstick in lip glass raspberry. Really, really pretty with a little hint of a purple in it, so that's gonna be nice this fall. This is a lip and cheek veil, which I've been reading about lately, but I've never tried. So I'm super excited to try a color that I can wear on my lips and my cheeks. I really had no idea such a thing existed until recently. So this is beautiful, and this is just perfect for my coloring for this fall. So I'm excited to try this. Two more goodies in here. This is Silent Mauve. Ooh, that one's a little bit more pink, definitely a mauve, but gorgeous, gorgeous color. I think this might be my new everyday color. And last but not least, and it must be extra special because it has its own little velvet bag. Oh, this is the 1010 lipstick that she's donating to mental health awareness. This is the Lipstick Boss's 1010 signature color in a gorgeous red, and this was the signature color for her entire glam up this season. So if you don't try any other color, the proceeds go to a really, really good cause. So I hope that you will try the Lipstick Boss's 1010 red this fall. So those are my winnings from the Lipstick Boss's fall glam up. I hope that you'll go to her website and her Instagram page and give it a try and take a look and see what might work for you. Thanks everybody. This is Andrea from Write, Speak, Relate.